Yes, good morning, class. In our today's class, we are going to study new chapter, that is chapter 7, the effect of human activities and population growth. So, in our earlier chapter, we have studied about changing the environment to adopt, how we are changing our environment in order to adopt ourselves. Now we will see about the effects of human activities and the growth of the population on environment. As you all know that this increase in population is a very big problem nowadays. Also it is considered as much big problem as the global warming. Then population is a word that refers to the number of people in a particular area. Now we are always saying that population is growing day by day, population is growing, but what do we understand by the population? Population means that the number of people in a particular area who are living in that area, for example town or city or a country. From prehistoric time to 19th century, the world population grew very slowly. Means from the prehistoric time, from the Neolithic or Paleolithic age, ancient time, the population grew very slowly. But the first billion was reached only in 1850. In 1850 only we have reached around 1 billion of population. The second billion just come after 80 years of this, that is by 1930, and it took only 45 years to double again. So we are taking just half of the years that we were taking earlier to double ourselves. That means just suppose from 1 billion, from 1 billion to 2 billion, it takes around 80 years, and then it took only 45 years to double, just to become a 4 million 4 billion by 1975. The fifth billion came even sooner, that is in 12 years only. So this is how we are growing devastatingly very large number of people. We crossed the 6 billion mark at the turn of the century and are now 6.5 billion. The world population is expected to reach the 9.5 billion by 2050. So it is expected that the world population will reach by 9.5 billion in 2050. There will be 11 times as many people in 2050 as there were in 1750. So in 1750 as many people were there, so that those people will be 11 times much more than people that were in 1750s. So in 2050 there will be the people that is 11 times much more than the 1750. Here is a world population growth chart is given. We can discuss, we can see from this that how far we have grown. Then we have to see why did the population grow slowly first. Why, what was the reason, what were the reason that population grow very slowly first? Before the last few centuries, human did not know how to tackle the problems. Means many hazards were coming, and epidemics were coming, like black death, plague, and etc. Now also that COVID is coming, but we have advanced in ourselves that we can cope up with all the things. So earlier the people were not knowing how to cope up with those things, and earlier no better sanitation was also not there, and medical facilities was also not there. That means people live longer nowadays, and the population increases rapidly. So that is why the population increased rapidly. The world is seeing population explosion, a sudden tremendous increase in the number of people on the earth. This increase has had a great influence on activities such as agriculture, housing, industrial development, and the harnessing of energy. That means we are experiencing the population explosion. Day by day our population is growing, and this population growth is expected to have an impact on different sectors like agriculture, housing, industrial development, and harnessing of energy. Means energy that we are getting exhausting also. Now we will see how the changes in agriculture has took place. Early humans were the hunter gatherers. They lived a nomadic life. Nomadic means they wander from one place to another place and rear the animal and just go here and there. But now they are all the human beings are living the settled life. So they then made the tools with the stone and bones and found it easier to hunt and kill animal. They discovered fire and invented the wheel also. Now the agriculture is the Neolithic age. Then after some time in Neolithic age, how was the agriculture? So about 10,000 years ago, in the Neolithic or the Stone Age, they started cultivating specific plant deliberately. I mean, some specific plants were cultivated at that time. From food gatherers, they became food producers. Now, early they were gathering the food. Now they are producing the food. In the beginning, they followed the slash and burn method. Slash and burn method of cultivation. So, what is the slash and burn method of cultivation? They usually clear a on plot of land and by felling down the trees, and they fulfill their agriculture on that land, and after that land get harnessed or that land get loses fertility, then they simply leave the land and go to the next land. That is known as the slash and burn method. The plots were small and the abundant land regenerated in a few years. So that's what plots were very small and that the abundant land that regenerated in a few years. It was around this time that humans started domesticating animals like cattle and sheep. So now slowly the human beings started domesticating the animal, keeping the animal for the living. Some tribe of people were pastoral, means they only cultivate, they instead of cultivating the land, they only depend on the animal for the meat, milk, leather, etc. They wander from pasture to pasture, grazing their land. Pasture means the grassland. So they wander from grassland to grassland for the grazing their herd. So we will keep it till here. Thank you, students.